How did we go from simple steam locomotives to maglev trains that break 300 miles per hour? Today we'll explore this incredible evolution and compare some of the most iconic trains from around the world, including Japan's Shinkansen, France's TGV, and China's record-breaking high-speed rail network. Along the way, we'll track the fastest train of each era and discover how railways reshape nations, economies, and lives. In 1804, the world witnessed one of the earliest railroads, when Richard Trevithick's steam locomotive successfully pulled 70 passengers along a 9-mile stretch in Wales. This engine was slow, barely reaching 5 miles per hour. In 1829, George Stephenson's rocket set a new benchmark for speed, achieving 28 miles per hour in the Rainhill trials. By the late 19th century, railways had cemented their place as the backbone of industrial life in both Europe and the United States. In the US, the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad in 1869 connected the coasts, and by 1890, the country boasted 160,000 miles of track. Railroads transported over 70% of freight, drastically reducing shipping times and enabling the rapid expansion of industries like steel, coal, and agriculture. These freight trains traveled at up to 40 miles per hour, a big improvement over horse-drawn wagons. In Europe, the rail network had expanded to over 200,000 miles by 1900, linking cities and nations in ways that transformed trade and travel. In the early 20th century, two new technologies emerged as alternatives to steam locomotives: electric and diesel trains. Electric trains were faster, more efficient, and better suited for heavily trafficked routes and urban railways. However, diesel locomotives offered unmatched versatility, capable of operating on virtually any track without the need for overhead wires or electrified rails. Each technology found its niche, with electrification dominating urban and high-speed rail systems, while diesel became the backbone of freight and rural rail networks. In 1933, Germany's Flying Hamburger set the record for the fastest rail connection in the world, connecting Berlin and Hamburg with an average speed of 77 miles per hour and reaching a top speed of 99 miles per hour. Meanwhile, in 1934, the Zephyr train set a speed record for travel between Denver and Chicago at an average speed of nearly 78 miles per hour, reaching a top speed of nearly 113 miles per hour. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and railways were entering a new era of high-speed travel. Japan's Shinkansen, or bullet train, launched in 1964 as the world's first high-speed rail system. The original train traveled at 130 miles per hour, cutting travel time between Tokyo and Osaka in half. Today, the Shinkansen operates at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour and has transported over 10 billion passengers with a perfect safety record. France's TGV began service in 1981 as another milestone in high-speed rail. Initially reaching speeds of 168 miles per hour, the TGV set new standards for speed and efficiency. Modern TGV trains now reach 198 miles per hour and connect major French cities with international routes to neighboring countries, including Switzerland and Germany. Russia's Trans-Siberian Railway, completed in 1916, remains the longest railway in the world, stretching over 5,700 miles from Moscow to Vladivostok. A journey along the full length of the Trans-Siberian Railway takes 7 days, offering a unique glimpse into Russia's varied and vast landscapes. Trains on this route can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. In the United States, Amtrak was created in 1971 to revitalize passenger rail travel after decades of decline. It consolidated services from over 20 smaller rail companies that struggled to compete with the rise of air travel and highways. Today, Amtrak operates over 21,000 miles of track across 46 states. The Acela Express, launched in 2000, is the country's first high-speed train, reaching speeds of up to 150 miles per hour along the Northeast Corridor between Washington, D.C. and Boston. Spain boasts the second largest high-speed rail network in the world, with over 2,700 miles of track as of 2023. Its AVE trains reach speeds of 193 miles per hour, connecting major cities such as Madrid and Barcelona. Spain's high-speed rail system has transformed domestic travel, carrying over 45 million passengers annually. China's high-speed rail network is the largest in the world, spanning over 26,000 miles. Trains like the Fuxing Hao reach speeds of up to 217 miles per hour, connecting major cities such as Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen. This massive network carries over 2 billion passengers annually, offering an environmentally friendly, efficient, and affordable alternative to air travel. The 21st century is the era of Maglev. Using powerful electromagnets, Maglev trains hover above the tracks, eliminating friction entirely. The Shanghai Maglev, launched in 2004, reaches a top speed of 268 miles per hour and provides a smooth, silent ride to the city's airport. In 2015, Japan unveiled a prototype Maglev, capable of reaching speeds of up to 375 miles per hour, making it the fastest train in the world and pushing the boundaries of rail technology. From Trevithick's humble steam engine to today's futuristic Maglevs, trains have transformed, going from less than 5 miles per hour to nearly 400. They've reshaped how we live and play a crucial role in our modern life. Here's to hoping the next chapter of rail innovation is just as impressive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any topic suggestions. I'll see everyone next time.